Hi! Today, we're going to learn how to evaluate piecewise functions. So, we have our examples here. We have g of x is equal to x plus 1 if x is less than 5, and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than or equal to 5. So, we are asked to find g of 2, g of 8, and g of 5. Again, that's g of x equals x plus 1 if x is less than 5, and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than or equal to 5. And we are going to find g of 2, g of 8, and g of 5. So first, let's move to the first one. So we are given g of x equals x plus 1 if x is less than 5, and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than or equal to 5. Now take note, the first step in evaluating our piecewise function is to know what the value of x is. Now in this example, the given value of x that we have to evaluate is 2. That means we will substitute all x variables with 2. So after we have identified the value of x, we will see which of these subfunctions we will use. And to do that, let us look at the intervals and let's compare that to our value of x. So the value of x is 2, and we have two conditions. X is less than 5 and x is greater than or equal to 5. So we compare that to 2. Is 2 less than 5, or is 2 greater than or equal to 5? Now take note that 2 is less than 5. That means we will have to use the first subfunction, which is x plus 1. So, therefore, g of 2 means we substitute x in this subfunction. So that's x plus 1, so that's 2 plus 1, or g of 2 is equal to 3. Next, we will find g of x is x plus 1 if x is less than 5, and 2x minus 3 if x is greater than or equal to 5, and we will find g of 8. This time, the value of x is 8. Again, we compare that to our intervals. Now take note, we identify whether 8 is less than 5 or is it greater than or equal to 5. Now take note that 8 is greater than 5. So that is our second interval. So we will use the second subfunction, which is 2x minus 3. So that means g of 8 will be 2 times 8 minus 3. So 2 times 8 is 16 minus 3, that is 13. Therefore, g of 8 is 13. Next, and the last one, we will find g of 5. That means we have to evaluate the function when x is 5. Again, our two intervals are x is less than 5 and x is greater than or equal to 5. Now take note, to which does 5 belong to? Is it less than 5 or greater than or equal to 5? So answer is the second interval. So take note that 5 is equal to itself. So since it belongs to the second interval, we will again use the second subfunction, which is 2x minus 3. So we will replace x there with 5. So that means g of 5 is equal to 2 times 5 minus 3. That is 2 times 5, that gives you 10, minus 3, or that is equal to 7. Which means that g of 5 is 7. Get it?